Hello friends, welcome back to the one video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix color correction problem on Vivo mobile. Friends, you want to fix your phone color correction problem. So how to fix color correction today friends we will talk about in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to fix color correction. Friends, you can see phone icon color and screen color has changed on my Vivo phone. So friends, how can I fix this problem? Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see your Vivo phone shortcut and accessibility setting. So friends, click here. After on shortcut and accessibility setting, friends scroll it. Friends, click on Vivo phone accessibility setting again. And friends, you can see there are many settings: talkback setting, display font size setting, magnification setting. Friends, click on color setting, and friends click on color correction. Friends, by mistake friends you have on this setting, so friends you will have to only tap here, your problem will fix. Friends, you can see use color correction, we will off. After of friends your screen problem will solve, screen color problem will solve. Friends, you can see we can use guys our icon colors, we can use our screen color with default colors. And friends, your screen show this interface. Friends, you can see we will on. Guys, your screen show this interface on your phone device. So friends, you can fix, you will have to only off. Friends, your screen show guys your black and white. Friends, you can see screen is black and white. So friends, you have your screen black and white problem. So how to fix black and white problem? So friends, open your phone setting. Friends, click on search bar, COR and friends space CORR friends. Color correction friends, click here and friends off your color correction guys, your problem guys, your black and white problem will solve on your Vivo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix color correction problem on Vivo phone. Bye.